Hey guys, it's Red from Rockfield. Today we're going to be doing a review of 2 model kits from Hasegawa. First kit we're going to do, Hasegawa A7E Corsair 2. Let's open this thing up. It's a 1 in a 48 scale kit. Modeled in gray. Have some photo etch parts, instructions. Most of the parts right here. We'll get to those in a second. And the decals. Now, let's look at all the parts. Cut the bag open. So we have the main fuselage, some missiles, more missiles, looks like a seat, more missiles. We have some, I have no idea what those parts are. Okay. More missiles, okay? More missiles, and looks like some more fuselage and cockpit. Some tail wings. Hopefully no more missiles. And some more fuselage and the tail wings again. Let's look at the photo etch parts here. Just gonna cut the bag open. Looks like some tips and instructions for applying the parts. And here are the photo etch parts. Looks like there's only 3. Is that? Yeah, that's cool. Here's the canopy. So yeah guys, Hasegawa Corsair 2. Let's move on to the next one. Now the next kit we're going to open is the Hasegawa Kawasaki T4. This is a 1 in a 72nd scale kit. It's already half open. So open this up. Let's see what's inside. First thing we see are the decals. Lots of decals. It's more of a customizing kit, so you can add your logos with the parts and instructions and painting guide. Okay, let's look at all the pieces. I've already unwrapped them all. We have some of the tail wings, engine compartments, some landing gear, and some wheels and some missiles and the seat. We also have some more tail wings, tail, and we have the fuselage, cockpit section. Have the floorboard and the landing gear compartments, another cockpit and fuselage. Pretty small kit, and some more missiles and some landing gear and another wheel, seat, another seat because this has 2 seats in it. And we have some more engine compartments and 1 loose piece. So I'll just keep that in the box. Let's look at the decals. Just looking at these decals makes me not want to open them. But just look at all those options. Crazy. Looks like, wow, ducks, bears, eagles, frogs. Wow. Looks like they just have a stripe on the box. So, and then we have the fuselage and the canopy in there. So yeah guys, can't wait to build these, give y'all some updates.